How to apply for Bank of America checking account online. Let's get started. Open any of the browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in bankofamerica.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the official website of Bank of America. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Click on the option of checking, open it. Now over here, you can see this $200 checking cash offer. And along with that, you will see the option of open an account today. Click on that option. You will land to this kind of page. Now scroll down. You will find different checking account options: Safe Balance, Advantage Plus, and Advantage Relationship. You can open an account according to your requirement. You can check the requirement for all these accounts. Just scroll down. Once you decide what account you want to open, click on the option of Open Account. I have selected Safe Balance. Get started adding a saving account to your Bank of America Safe Balance banking account. If you want to add Bank of America Advantage saving account, you can check in for this option. Likewise, if you want only Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance banking account, you can check in for the second option. If you have offer code, you can check in for this option and type in offer code over here. Are you a Bank of America online banking customer? If yes, you can check in for this option. They will pre-fill your application to save your time. But in the case you don't have an account, you can click on the option of go to application and fill it. For now, I'm gonna click on this one option. And you will land to this kind of page. Now you have to fill these. There are 4 steps. In the first step, you have to provide your information that includes your personal details, contact info, residency, employment, and finances. After you fill these, you can click on the option of continue. In the next page, you have to set up your account. You have to provide details about your account. And in the third page, you have to agree with terms and conditions of Bank of America. Likewise, in the fourth page, you have to review all of your details and submit your application. Once you submit your application and Bank of America verifies all of your details, your account will be created. And with that, you're gonna get all of your bank details and you can log into your account. So this is how you can apply for Bank of America checking account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.